Hi, this is Ajanta Man. I'm back with another video, and this is about Act 4, Scene 2 of the Julius Caesar, and today I'm going to discuss a very important question. What is Brutus's grievance against Cassius as stated by Brutus in the course of the quarrel which takes place between the two men? And on what grounds does Brutus suggest to Cassius that their forces should march to Philippi instead of waiting for the enemy to come and attack them at Sardis? Now what is the grievance against Cassius as stated by Brutus in the course of the quarrel between the two very important characters, that is Cassius and Brutus? Brutus says that he has sent a messenger to Cassius to get certain sums of money from him because he had needed the money to pay his soldiers, and because he had not thought it proper to extort money from the local people by force or by fraud. We know Brutus's character. Therefore, for Brutus to force people and to indulge in underhand means is unthinkable. Brutus goes on to say that he would rather have changed his heart into coins and would have given away his own blood, but that he would never have obtained money by force from the peasantry or the farmers. Brutus goes on to say that he would have made any kind of personal sacrifice, but he would not have collected the money from the farmers by any kind of unfair means. We know that Brutus will not indulge in any kind of underhand means or unfair methods. That was the reason why he had tried to get money from Cassius. But Cassius had refused to send him any money. That makes Brutus extremely angry. And Brutus now asks if that refusal by Cassius to send him the money was a friendly act on his part. He says that he would have never had given a negative reply to Cassius in case Cassius had made any such request to him. It would show the utmost greed on Cassius's part to keep back the money from a friend, because money is after all mere trash, while friendship is something noble. Therefore, in reply to Cassius's suggestion that they should wait here at Sardis for the enemy to attack them, Brutus replies that this would not be the right strategy. And if they remain at Sardis and the enemy marches from Philippi to this place to attack them, the enemy would on their way draw a number of local population to their side, and therefore the enemy would strengthen themselves. Therefore, there is an opposition of idea between Brutus and Cassius as to where the forces should march, whether they should stay in Sardis or they should move to Philippi. Thank you for watching. Do watch my videos, my previous videos, if you want an in-depth analysis into your novels, your short stories as well as poems. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon. Thank you once again.